Let's go! Boxing.
Ready?
Kemi, excuse me. Team of Cards with United Knights. Mario Pinasa. Tukay. Pasok hindi. Rebound by Tyler. Tyler foul. By number sino? 21.
Ano nga yung pangalan? Number ka.
Oh. Kevin? 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 Kevin, di ba? First shot! Pasok! Ayun, kami naman. Second shot! Joy, dala-dala ang bola, binibit-bit na baba. To Jeffrey. Pasa ulit kay Jeffrey. Nagpapasahan ng dalawa. Asura, AJ, power move, nawala ang bola. Nakuha ni Mario. Mario, leading the break. Attempts a three-point shot. Wala. Nakuha ulit ni AJ. Nagmamadali lahat. Yung pasa, natapik. Kuha ni Tyler. Balik ulit kay Mario. Nawala kay Carl. Up. Recover. 2 points. Carl Magsayo. Asan sa trip? Joy, dala-dala nga. Pinasa ulit kay Van. Van, tinira. Wala, sumobra. Rebound, Mario. Eric attempting. Eric playing some moves. Balik ulit kay Eric. 3-point step, pinasa. Nagpapasahan. Nice ball rotation from United Knights. 2 points, Kyle Max. Joy, naku po, pinasa, pumasok. Wala. Ha? Ay, kung mag-camera pa. Palitan tayo. Joy. Pinasa AJ, pumping. Up, sumalpan, hindi nakasobra. Mike with the recovery. Joy, Lichika for 3. Pumba. Inside pass, foul. Michelangelo ang nag-foul. Pushing foul. Yawa ka, Axel. Rinig ka rin yung process mo. Nawala kay Carl. Turnover. Agile Greenhorns ball. Inbound to Joy. Joy! Pasa kay Van. Van for 3. Wala. Kevin. Nakuha. Slowing down the tempo. Long pass to Tyler. Tyler attempts. Tyler shoots. 2 points. By Tyler. Joy. Van ulit for 3. 3 points. Pat Van. Eric to Mario. Mario attempts a 3. Wala. Joy with the rebound. Wala. Agile ball. Joy, lumana move, kinig out kay AJ. AJ for 3, wala. Kevin leaving the break, pinasa kay Eric. Eric, pass to Kevin ulit. Kevin moves back, step back. setting up his teammates. Bad for 3. Wala pa rin. Magsayo ay na rebound. To Tyler. Tyler for 2. Lumalayo na yung laman. Asan ang laban? Jeff, tumakilala naman 3. Wala, tumama sa bakal. United ball. Kevin, to Eric, traveling violation. Sumisigaw na po si Choi. To Jeffrey. Jeffrey, fouled by number 39. Agile, inbounding.
Sabihin mo, sumiko? Anik sa mga.
Michael, ako ang bola. Joy, ulit, tumitingin. Naghahanap ng mapasahan. Pinasa kay Jeff. Nawala, nakuha, tinira, wala pa rin. Magsayo, binigay kay Mario. Asan si Luigi? Eric for 3. Pasok na pasok. Joy. With a flying move. Wala pa rin. Kevin, long pass to Eric for 3. Pasok pa rin. Back to back. Time out, Agile. Back to the ball game. Agile ball. Choi, tinik ang mata. Tuban, balik, wala pa rin. Naagaw ni Choi. Choi with a power move. Pinasa ng pala kay Jeff na tabi. Foul, Jeffrey Thomas. Ilan na ball niya? 30 foul. Out of bounds. United ball. Eric receives. Passing. Nakagaw. AJ. Foul. Mario. Number 56. Ilan na foul na ka?
Second team pa.
Second team. Michelangelo kicks out to Van for 3. Pasok. Swakto. 30 seconds to play. Getting pressure. Inside pass. Nagawan. Hindi ka na. Recover. Eric looking to pass. Nope. Attempts at 3. Wala. Na-rebound ni Carl. Carl with a power move. Nakuha na wala ni Tyler. Tyler, wala pa rin. 8 seconds to play. No. Late game call. Greenhorns ball for the second quarter. Velasco. Nice pass to Irving. Hindi niya tinira. Nawala. Ha? Anak niya? Anis. Roa. Inside pass to Irving. Irving with a power move. Pinasa sa tatay. Velasco for 2 points. slows down the tempo. Pass to Tyler. Balik kay Eric. Eric. Pump faking. Moving. Foul by CJ Cherly. 57.
Ilan na ba ang ano?
14 foul. Robert loses the ball. Goes over. No. Nakuha ni Kevin. Kevin attempts. Kevin shoots. Wala. Hindi nakuha. Velasco. Pass naman inside to CJ. CJ with his signature move. Hindi pumasok. Tayo gets the ball. Easy layup. 2 points. Pinatuloy nila. Nasa pinigay sa kalaban. Nakuha ulit ni CJ. CJ. Fake moves. Nasa pagpal. Nakuha. 2 points. Champion later. Nice one, Pat. Kevin to Eric. Eric for 3. Pasok na pasok. Back to back to back. Noah. To Velasco. Velasco for 3. Wala. Nice one. Anak yan ni Velasco. Chika Choy. Kevin attempts a regular shot. Mario recovers in 2 points. Ayun, man.
Ikamay yan, dito si Mulawas ko eh. Tingin niya sa'yo, maliit ka daw.
To Irvin. Pasa kay Tatay. Pasa kay Cherlito. 2 points. Signature move by Cherlito. Dinikitan ni Roa. Hindi makapasok. Pinigay kay Kevin. Kevin, nagawa ng Kevin. Hindi. Nawala. Nakuha. Recover. Eric, 3 points. Ulit. Wala. Kinuha. Rebound ni Tyler. 2 points, Tyler. Malayo na po ang lamang. Roa, tumag-inside. Velasco sa balaksak, kinig out. Roa for 3 points. Pumapuso pa. Eric, nakasobra rin si Tatang. To Tyler, Tyler that's a 3. Wala. Oh, pumamangka, nakawan, wala. Kuha ni Roa. Roa for 3. Pasok. Mario. Ibunak si Tatang. Nakawan ng empty. Di mag-inside, mag-inside. With a basic layup. Eric. It hit. Eric. With a step back. Robert. Reset. Jump step. Wala. Naiwanan si Tatang. Pinasa ni Mario. Mario for 3. Wala. Roa. Pinatokay mag-inside. Mag-inside na wala.
Joy! Sabi mo. Sabi mo.
Tyler. Kicks out to Kevin. Robert. Eric. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ng Agile here. Agile. Pasa kay Cherlito. Cherlito with a basic layup. Nasa na sila. Foul. Number 57.
Warning?
Warning si Tatang. Bawal po yan.
Bisa na din.
Hindi kasi yung move na yun, sabi sa akin nila,
Kevin for 3. Pasok. Swakto. Velasco, nagpapadali. Double. 3 ball. Time out. Agile. No more time out for the first time.
yung ginagawa niya, nakakabantod magulang, pero legal. Pero pag yung tuhod tumama, may kunwari, sinabayan ko siya, nakalabas yung ano niya tuhod, foul siya, offensive. Kaya nung nalaman ko sinabi nila, gusto ko sabayan talaga.
Joy, let's say that.
Pingi.
Wala ka kutsara, ha?
Saan may nabubat ulit?
Sabi ko na sa kilala rin. Mario, next sila. Eddie for 3. Wala ngayon. Velasco, pamadali. Pero sa kayo, Rawa. Pass, going to go. Pasok sa malaksak. Jump shot. Eddie with the rebound. Height over heart. Heart pala over height. Mario, sumalaksak na rin. With a power move. Walang tawag. No ball. Nasabik. Injury. Rawa with a nice move. 2 points. Ay, bawal na eh. Bawal na.
Ano, sab. Sabi mo, sab.
Substitution. Injury timeout. Mario checks out.
Part, okay na ka, Part? Tawag na no more.
Sirin-rin yun. Uy, tumira.
Tyler, Tyler's move. Robert, front face. Walang tawag. That was close. Velasco. With a 3 points, tinirahan sa mukha. Wala pa rin. Greenhorn ball. Kevin, Dinato. Tyler, 2 points. Rawa. To mag-inside, to Chelito. Velasco with his signature running knee shot. Kevin for the last shot. Kevin, balik kay Kevin. Kevin, attempts no, he got foul. Time out.
They called timeout with 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Timeout sila. They called timeout with 5 seconds. Yeah, kinol, number 5 seconds. Yeah, 5? It was 5 before. It was 5 before. Those. 4 or 5?
Seven fouls, penalty. United Knights rewarded with 2 shots and 4 seconds to play. First shot attempt. Good. Second shot. Pasok na pasok. Binato! Nakuha ni Robert! Tinakse! Again, Pinhor ball! Anton Tuban, hindi na mawala. Joy for 3. No good. Eric, to Kevin, hindi ka na mawala pre. Carl for 2 points and 1. Foul number. Who's foul rep? For 25. Pumba.
Ilan na ko niya?
First personal foul. First team foul. Agile. Carl Magsayo completes that 3-point play. Choi. Fast food by the captain boy. Tuban, Ban. With a jump shot. Kapos. Anton attempted the steal. Wala. Robert. Eric. With an inside pass. Wala kay Kenny. Ban. Back to Choi. Anton for 3. Wala pa rin. AJ with a power move. Wala rin. Carl hits it on to Tyler. Kevin attempts. Nope, Tyler attempts. Tyler shoots. Kapos. Air ball. Choi, nag-crossover na wala ang bola. Nakuha ni Eric. With a basic 2 points. Ibon ang bola. Janes, Tuban for 3. Wala pa rin. Banda. Eric to Kevin. Binabagala, nagintay. Pasa kay Robert. Robert with a spin move. Shot. Wala. Rebound ni Tyler. Attempts. Ay, wala. Walang tawag. Choi, nagmamadali. Pinasa kay AJ for 2 points. Dami pang oras. Pwede pa maghabol. Eric for 3. Tiniran sa mukha. Ban. Nagmamadali. Ban with a bad pass. Bakit naman? Bakit naman tempo? Robert. Pasa kay Carl. Carl to the reverse. Carl. nakalusot. 2 points with a power move from Anton. Takot kayo dyan, may pansit kantong yan. Eric with his own move. 2 points. Sinagutan ang mga tanong. Roa, hindi nasalo ang bola. Kevin with his 3. Swakto. Walang mintes. Jeff, inside pass. Tumay, galang galo. Good points. Libreng-libre ulit si Kevin. For 3. Wala. Eric with the rebound. Eric. Inside pass to Kevin. To Tyler. Nice pass. Football movement by United. Rolling around 3. Campos. Board lang. Velasco with his running running shot. Tyler. To Kevin. For 3. Wala. Rebound Eddie. Second chance. 2 points. Jeff, sumalaksak. Nakakawang pasa. Eric. Good time. Mario with a long 3. Pasok na pasok. Walang mintes. Velasco with his own 3. Wala. Nagkagawang bungo. Robert. Tyler for 2. Wala. Pinatong. Nasalo ni Roa. Roa. With a spin move. Wala. Nakuha ni Anton. Anton gives it out to Jeff. Jeff. Back to Anton. 3 points. Wala. Nagpasahan. Nagbigayan. Hop! Foul! Anton! 26. Ilan na pala Anton? First personal foul.
Second.
Second team foul.
Announcer nila dapat. Hindi dapat din na naglalaro.
First shot attempt. Pasok.
Hindi na dapat naglaro. Referee at announcer na lang. Yeah.
Second shot. Pasok. Roa for 3. Pasok. Pwede pang humabol. Meron pang chance. Anton. Challenge. Isolation. Long 3 by Mario. Wala. Michelangelo. Wala. Nakuha ni Jeff. 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 Pasa. Hinira ni Mike for 3. Tyler. Oh. Agile ball. Pwede pang humabol. Laban lang o laban. 25
tumama.
Mario for 3, wala. Hindi nag-attempt, spin move. Pasa, mana sa kapatid, George Magsayo. Tatang with a nice move, 2 points.
Wala naman. Tatawa ko sa ano. Tatang gamay.
Tapigon ko,
Wala, kay.
Nakagawan, Roma, 2 points, wala. Technical foul by Robert. Agile here, rewarded.
Time. Technical eh, technical.
First shot attempt. Wala.
Sorry, Japan mo yun.
Kapigyan mo na kamera. Second shot. Wala pa rin. Goa. Irvin. Pass to Tata. 2 points. Chenito. 2 points. Mario making some moves for 3. Wala. Tyler with the rebound. Tyler fouled by Irvin. First foul. First half foul. Third team foul. Tyler's first shot attempt. Good.
Nakalagay na ba yung Andres dyan? Andres?
Second shot. Good.
Ren. Dami
Roa.
Dami pera sa
covers. Nagawan. Hindi. Nawala. AJ with a powerful foul.
Foul.
Wow. 27.
Ano to? Gamit ko lang pera na rin. Salamat rin. Eh, ba't manok? Puto, manok. Kinsa lang gaga.
Joy!
30 pesos, 48. Ala ko makdula. Pizza. What the fuck?
Roa. Pass to AJ. AJ. Bumangka. Number 2. Body contact. AJ's first shot. Good.
Jumbo hotdog.
AJ's second shot. Good. Ellie. Sumalaksak with 2 points. Swakto. Roa. With a jump shot. Kick out. Hindi na po ang itatang yung pasa. Timeout. Agile here.
chicken in
Wala
banana.
kung mag-chicken, walang kanin.
Tumahimik ka!
Order ng chicken, walang kanin.
Agile ball. Binato. Nasalo. Kevin for 3. Paso. Michelangelo, tutatang ulit. Tatang Cherlito with a nice move. Wala, sumobra. Pinressured si Mario. Mario for long 3. Paso. Agadi. Velasco for 3. Eric for 3. Nice pass by Kevin.
Saka siya doon.
Kevin,
Ito Mario.
kamali pa lang. Pagkata ng Choy, sumatan ako.
Sugat nga!
Ayaw mo, Choy, sumatan ako.
Ala. Jay, Jay. Jay.
Anton, sumatan ako, Choy. Hoy, kami nga, puta mo. Hoy, sumatan ako. Sumatan ako. Pangin na pimposan. Pimposan, dami mo nga kulubot-kulubot yan, oh. Tata.
To Anton. 2 points.
Ha? Anton. Mag-test ito. Na mo.
Mag-inside to Anton ulit. Anton for 2. Wala. Anton for 2 ulit. Wala. Tyler. 3 points, Tyler. 3 points. 3 points. Attempt. Pinasa. Eric for 3. Wala. Tata. Anton still attempts with a fadeaway shot. CJ. Foul. Running clock. Sa free throw na ubos ang oras. Anton for 2, wala. Tyler. Pass break to Eric. Eric for 3.